Hi friends, in the last lecture we have seen how to document REST APIs. We have documented using Swagger. We have specified the dependency injection, the form.xml, two dependencies. One is Swagger 2 and one more is Swagger UI. And we have created one Swagger configuration file and enabled with Swagger 2, and we created a bean socket and returning Swagger 2. Now what I will be doing, I will be customizing the data. Here what API documentation, what is the description, terms of conditions, Apache 2.0, I will be giving my license. And this API, you see here, it only sends the request parameter. Here we have only application JSON, but we are accepting application JSON XML also. And response also we are returning application JSON and XML. This is giving slash dot star. In case of delete also, slash dot star is there. Get also, you observe here, we are returning slash dot star, but we are returning application slash XML application slash JSON. We are going to customize that. This default information is coming from API info class. Open this class. From here we are getting all the default information. I will be customizing now. I am customizing. From default contact, just contact the API info, contact, contact. Constructor is taking three arguments. First argument is name, second argument is URL, third is email. I'm going to provide my name. You can provide your company name or track name. Next I am going to provide the URL, gmail.com, but you can provide your track URL or application, your project URL if you have it, the company URL. Next is email, your team email alias. I'm just going to give my email alias. In your project you have to give your team email alias. API doc, this is taking title, description, version, few more attributes. I'm going to first change the description now. Title, I'm going to give title as REST API, REST API document. Next is description, LEA or learning micro class REST APIs using Spring Boot. Version 1.0, here terms of service. We can specify the contact, and instead of Apache 2.0, I am going to give my company Tectonic. I will be giving the default URL as I don't have company URL. ONI. I am giving one direction just as it is. I am going to give here dot API info. Give the API info. Now it is also, this is going to produce XML and JSON. So I am going to declare produces. I am going to override now. Produces. I am going to create a hash set now. Set of string the produces consumes equal to new hash set arrays dot as list application slash xml comma one more application slash json. Importing now. Okay, I'll be specifying this produces consume also both consume both. Now I'll be starting the application. Starting the application. See friends, currently it is a response content type star slash star. Here input is application slash json only. Now after refreshing we will get few details like user controller. Now we got application slash xml or application json. Select application.json, we will get this. For post, for put also you can see input application slash xml json data. Even response type also here default it is coming user, we can specify json. We have customized it. Here I am changed the REST API documentation. I gave the more description and I gave terms of services as it is, and I gave my company website, send email, Tectonic company URL. We have customized the document. We will be customizing few more stuff. Like if you come here under user, we have just address, age and name. Here we have added validations. We can provide validation messages here. Comes to user model, how to make it as @API model. This is the API model. I am going to annotate this @API property. I am going to specify message or description title again. Okay. Data type name notes. I am going to provide notes. Address should start from 5 characters. Address should start from 5 characters. This is for name. Why? So this is a name guys. Started from wrong place. Same for address as well. Copy address and should start from 5 characters. I am going to restart again. We can see their description for user model also. By looking at the Swagger documentation, we can see how to send the payload, what type of data we can send, what type of response we get, what validations are present. By looking at the documentation, consumer can understand. User, the user, see. Earlier we have not got this message notes. Now we are getting notes. So user can provide minimum 2 characters for name and for address 5 characters. Just to overview on this lecture, We have added Swagger configuration, API info object, and we copied from API info, and we have added contact produces consume. All these are coming from Spring Fox code, and annotations are coming from Spring annotation. Swagger annotations are coming from here. We have annotations, right? API model, there is API model, API property, API implicit param, API response. You can see this documentation and you can implement it. Contact, example property, example you can see here, and we can see license, how to provide the license, what license it takes by default, and there is authorization we can specify authorization details. In the UI you can see authorization not coming default, select a spec, we can provide the authorization. Security details also we can specify, what details we can specify. Just see the documentation and implement it. Thank you.